There need not be contradictions between development and tradition. There need not be contradictions between development and tradition.
But, Mr. President, if we wish to build a relationship that will be much more in-depth, it's necessary, frankly, to deal about our contradictions.
But outside of the realm of electoral politics, I still see people the way I saw them when I made that speech, full of contradictions, and there are some regional differences, but basically folks care about their families, they care about having meaningful work, they care about making sure their kids have more opportunity than they did.